The Sun. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It is a nearly perfect ball of hot plasma, heated to incandescence by nuclear fusion reactions. Its diameter is about 1.39 million kilometers or 109 times that of Earth. Roughly 3/4 of the Sun's mass consists of hydrogen, 73%. The rest is mostly helium, 25%, with much smaller quantities of heavier elements, including oxygen, neon and iron. Inside the Sun, all three are made solely of gas, but the gas gets hotter and denser towards the center. In the core the temperature soars to 15 million and the gas is 150 times more denser than water. Sun STATSTICS, diameter, 1,393,684 km. Distance Earth, 150 million km. Mass, Earth equals 1-333,000. Surface temperature, 5,500 degrees Celsius. Core temperature, 15 million degrees Celsius. Structure and fusion. Core, the innermost 20 to 25% of the Sun's radius, where temperature and pressure are sufficient for nuclear fusion to occur. Hydrogen fuses into helium. The fusion process releases energy, and the core gradually becomes enriched. In helium, radiative zone convection cannot occur until much nearer to the surface of the Sun. Therefore, between about 20 to 25% of the radius, and 70% of the radius, there is a radiative zone in which energy transfer occurs by means of radiation rather than by convection. Tachocline, the boundary region between the radiative and convective zones. Convective zone, between about 70% of the Sun's radius and a point close to the visible surface. The Sun is cool. Because the Sun is a gaseous object, it does not have a clearly defined surface. Its visible parts are usually divided into a photosphere and atmosphere. Photosphere, the deepest part of the Sun which we can directly observe with visible light. Atmosphere, a gaseous halo surrounding the Sun, comprising a chromosphere, solar transition region, corona and heliosphere. Energy release. It takes only 8 minutes for light from the Sun to Earth, but it can take 1 million years for energy released in the Sun's core to travel to the surface and emerges as light. The journey is slow because the energy is light. Rotation. Like all objects in space, the Sun rotates. Unlike Earth, which rotates as a solid object, the Sun is a ball of gas and turns at different speeds in different places. The equator takes 25 Earth days to rotate once, but the polar regions take 34 days. Mass ejections. Vast bubbles of superhot gas, plasma, each with a mass of around 1 billion tons, erupt from the Sun up to 3 times a day called coronal mass ejections. These bubbles grow millions of kilometers wide in a few hours and then burst, sending a blast of charged particles hurtling across the solar system. In next video, we will explain about the stars. Thank you for watching this video.